Welcome back to SWGA Sickle Cell Awareness with Patient Advocate Monica. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the tribe. In today's video, I am going to give you an update on my container garden. Let's get into the video. My corn is actually taller than me. Look, I'm so excited. The produce that I am most proud of is my corn. My corn is actually taller than I am, so I'm excited about my corn. Due to heavy rain, this set of corn did not make it. I'm being very transparent. This corn did not make it at all. I really tried. But I didn't make it. To be very transparent, one of the things that didn't do so well were some of my cucumbers. Like part of it's alive and part of it's dead, so I'm unsure what I'm going to do with it. They have a drainage system, but not working. As you can see, I'm still having issues with insects in my produce. So I am going to try to put a little dust on them. I don't know how good this product is, but I am going to use it and see if it works. I will let you know if it is. I hope it works. I hope it works. The next thing that I'm proud of are my watermelon. I like how that they are growing. They are growing. I just put some dust on them to get rid of the insects. So I like how my watermelon are growing. And the next thing are my sweet potatoes. I love how beautifully my sweet potatoes are growing. They are really cool. One of the things that I'm still working on are my cucumbers. Sometimes they're up and sometimes they're down. I just put some dust on it and milk will grow, so hopefully they'll be better. Another thing that I'm proud of is my strawberries. Lemon wrong, they're doing good. Had to put a little dust on them as well as my